Okay, now guys, let's quickly take a look at our Euro USD. Let's start from our daily time frame. As you can see on our daily time frame, we are actually on a fall, by the way. So our euro has actually dropped massively. I think to about our 2013. The last time we had this kind of drop was around 2013, as we can see previous on our previous charts. We see we had this massive drop. We've not actually had this drop for a while. I think we actually had this kind of a drop since 20, even 2013 we never had this amount of drop. So our price has dropped massively. We can see the mark below here. So I don't know if we had that amount of drop 2008, but now let's see it this way. Now, as we can see, we've had a drop, right? And I will be taking here as a pullback. Yeah, as I'll be taking here as a pullback this huge week, and our price has fallen again, breaking our previous lower lows. Definitely we are still on a downward trend, and I don't believe we will be seeing a pullback now till probably 1 2 3 days, then we will be getting a pullback. So our euro, we are still actually on a fall on our euro USD, still a massive fall on our 4-hour time frame. We can see a massive fall. I had to put here as a retracement here. We saw the retracement here on our 4-hour time frame. It break below it. So if possibly we get a pullback, which I don't think would be happening soon, then definitely this area will be a place where our euro would be dropping. So possibly we will be getting a pullback around there. That is if we get it, and if not, then possibly we'll be getting here where our pullback will reverse and continue downward on our 4-hour time frame. Likewise, our 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we are still on our 1-hour time frame. We've gotten this pullback. We can see price broke below here, which means we are still on the downtrend on our 1-hour time frame. If you have to put our 10-period moving average, we are still on a downward trend. As you can see, our price broke below it. So if you want to take your trade on this your 1 hour, I'll say let our price come back to test this area again. If our price can come back to test it, then I'll say it is a good opportunity to take our sell. Now we can see on our index, by the way, on our index, we are actually on a bull run. Our price has broken above our our previous higher highs. You can see this was our previous higher highs, then price failed, then another one, price came down. You can see it, price come here to retest, and now we've actually had a breakout. So as we have a breakout, we all know the rules a retest. So I don't think we will be having the retest tomorrow, but watch out. In case there's a massive fall, then this place will be a key area where we'll be seeing that massive fall, but I don't believe we'll be having it. So we can see on our 4-hour time frame, we are kind of getting a little bit of a pullback here, which I believe it will drop, which I believe when we get that pullback, we should be seeing that pullback around this highs here. You see this previous higher highs here, which is about 1.2010. Currently, we are trading at 1.2066. So if you have to see that pullback, then this would be the area where the pullback will get and actually pushes up. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are starting to get a pullback, but we are still aiming to go bullish. So any pair we are trading to our USD should actually be falling, which means our euro we are trading to our USD would actually be falling. So that is the analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video.